In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link menu items to anchors on Wix. Anchors let visitors jump straight to a specific part of a page, which is perfect for single-page sites or long pages with multiple sections like About, Services, and Contact. The good news is, linking to an anchor is quick, consistent across buttons, text, images, and menu items, and it gives your site a smooth, professional feel. Start by selecting the element you want to make clickable. This could be a menu item, a button, a text box, or another clickable element on your page. When you click it, you'll see a small context menu or toolbar appear. Look for the chain link icon. This is the link control. Click that to open the link settings. In the Link Options panel, choose the option to link to a web anchor. This tells Wix you want the element to send visitors to a specific spot on a page rather than a new page or an external site. If you're working with a menu item, the process is exactly the same. Select the item in your site menu, open its link settings, and choose Web Anchor. Next, select which page the anchor lives on. You can link to an anchor on the current page or any other page in your site. After picking the page, you'll see a list of the available sections on that page. These are the anchors you can target. Choose the section you want visitors to land on. It helps to give your sections clear names in the editor so they're easy to recognize in this list. Confirm your selection, and that's it. Your element is now linked to the anchor, and when clicked, it will smoothly scroll to that section. This is a simple way to improve navigation and guide visitors exactly where you want them. A few quick tips to make this work even better. If you don't see the section you expect, double check that you're selecting the correct page and that the section is visible and properly named. If you rename a section later, revisit the link to make sure it still points to the right place. It's also a good idea to switch to preview mode and test the link to confirm the scroll behavior feels right. And if your site has a sticky header, make sure important content isn't hidden behind it when the scroll lands. And there you go. Linking elements and menu items to anchors on Wix is that straightforward. That's all.